Good afternoon. It is 2:15. Me and Ted, we're doing the school run, and obviously being on time is being
early.
Every time we're early. When I come and do the school run, we've been coming straight from the gym, so he's with me as well, and he said, "Oh, we're an hour early, Dad."
An hour early.
But an hour early is being bang on time.
No, it's not.
No, 20 minutes early is being on time. But yeah, we was an hour early today, but we're just chilling, and we're sitting in the van waiting. And I've got a question for you, and this is because of the other day I met someone, and I was just literally sitting there thinking, if I had that man's money, do you know what I mean? What would you do? So, what would you do if you won the lottery today? What would be, it's one of them common questions, yeah? It used to be that we sit down every Saturday night, you get your lottery ticket when it first started, and everyone, obviously I was too young, but I remember my mum and whatever else, and everyone would be like, oh, what would I do? Oh, I'd buy this, or I'd buy that, I'd give them £1 million, I'd look after them, I'd do that little bit of a charity, I'd go on that holiday, and everyone would come up with a list of things that they'd do. And then you check your numbers, and all of a sudden you haven't won, and you go back to reality of being skint. That's the life of looking to win the lottery, right? Now, the other day, we was in the company of someone who's won the lottery, and they won an awful lot of money. A lot of money on the lottery, right? And I was chatting to him, and I said, what do you do with your day? What do you do with your day? Bit of gardening, look after the fish, got a little koi pond, do the school runs, a little bit of cleaning indoors. And it was just like nothing. And I was saying this to you, and I was saying to Ted about it. And I said, have you ever sat there with £1 million in front of you?
Oh, not really.
And he said, no. No, I've never done that.
I said, 16.
Well, no, not you, not you. But I asked his lottery winner, I said, have you ever sat there with £1 million in front? He said, no, I've never done that. And he could do this a lot of times over. He won that sort of money. And I was like, but I would 100% get £1 million out, lay it on the table, and feel the fabric of £1 million. Wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Wouldn't you? He don't have flash holidays. He's not into flash cars. Nothing. Such a humble person. You just wouldn't reckon it. And then after that conversation, it opened my eyes, and I thought, if I won the lottery, what would I do? Because first of all, you think, I can't buy a nice car, I'm going to go on holiday, I'm going to go and buy this big house, I'm going to go and do this, I'm going to go and do that, and I'll help them out, and I'll make them a millionaire, and I'll do this, and I'll do that. After these conversations, I met this a couple of times, I had a couple of meetings and whatnot else. It changed my perspective on winning the lottery. It opens your eyes a bit, and it makes you think for a second. What would I really do? What would make you happy if you won an awful lot of money on the lottery? What would you do? Tell me. If you placed the lottery, are you allowed to do the lottery?
I don't know.
Is it 16? Google that for me, please. Is it 16 or is it 17 for the lottery?
What?
I don't know when it is. I think is it 18? It might be 18. It's gambling, isn't it?
Yeah.
18.
18.
18, yeah. In 2 years' time,
Yeah.
what would you do if you won whatever money on the lottery? If you won millions of pounds on the lottery, what would you do at 18 years of age?
So basically, get in my car.
Yeah. You'd buy a car?
No, I'll get in my car. If I didn't already have a car.
Yeah.
Drive to Tesco's.
Yeah.
Get some chicken. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. That is what I would do.
You would buy chicken?
Yep. Then after that, go gym.
That's all you want to do, isn't it?
Yep.
All this kid wants to do is eat protein. And in the form of chicken, because I try and get him other protein, mint.
I eat mince.
Yeah, you do eat a bit of mince, but everything you want to eat is chicken.
It's easy.
Chicken wraps in the morning, chicken sandwiches. Look, he's got a chicken sandwich here, chicken pasta. He just eats chicken, chicken, chicken. So if you won millions of pounds, you'd jump in your car.
I'll go buy loads of chickens, real chickens.
And
I'll
then
buy 1,000.
1,000
And
chickens.
have my own chicken farm.
What, to kill them, to eat them?
Yeah. No, like mega chicken farms, so I have as much chicken as I ever want. That'd be amazing, wouldn't it?
That is a good, solid answer.
It's good.
What would you do if you won millions of pounds? My intention there by a chicken farm So he's got an endless supply of chicken so he can go to the gym.